The free AI tool all of us were using to generate unlimited images and videos just got destroyed. The video generation feature is gone, and the whole Meta platform looks completely dead. Good news, I spent the last few days digging into it, and I found exactly where it went, how to still use it for free, and a trick to generate videos with no watermark. For example, if we open Meta AI, there is no option to create a video. And if you drop in an image and click Animate, nothing happens. It just tells you it can't generate the video right now. Video generation is not available. However, when you go to the Vibes section, you will see videos from other creators generated on this very platform. And here's the interesting part. I found where the video generation actually went. Make sure to pay close attention, because none of this works if you skip a step. So stick with me through the whole thing. This new platform is called Vibes AI. What actually happened is the company spun the entire video experience off into its own standalone platform, built specifically for creators instead of casual chat users. This is the platform where every ounce of that free generation power now lives, and honestly, it is more capable than the original ever was. The link is in the description below, and when you log in, it automatically syncs to your Meta account. After logging in, create a new project so everything you make stays organized. You will get a clean, simple setup, and Vibes AI is way more powerful than what we had before. Here you can generate images, convert them into videos, or generate directly from text, and you can even generate lip-synced videos where the characters talk. Under Ingredients, you can lock in your character, style, and scene for a consistent story flow. If you want to control how a video starts and ends, Vibes AI lets you upload both a first and last frame, and when generating videos, you can now export in 720p, which is a huge upgrade. The downside with this platform is that you cannot generate horizontal images, even if you add a 16:9 aspect ratio to the prompt. For instance, when I hit generate, I still get vertical images. But here is the trick for creating horizontal videos. We are not abandoning Meta AI completely. It is still useful, and we are going to use it to create horizontal images, then turn them into videos with Vibes AI. And we are not just using it to create images, we are turning Meta AI into a full production assistant. Open a new chat and put it to work by pasting the master prompt I am about to show you, asking Meta AI to create image prompts, each with a matching motion prompt. Meta AI will give you 10 pairs, each with an image prompt and a motion prompt, structured the way a video model actually reads them: camera behavior, lighting, subject, and mood. I will leave the exact prompt I used in the description below. Copy all your prompts and keep them organized somewhere like a Google Doc, since we will need them for both image and video generation. Now copy one image prompt, head back to Meta AI, and paste it in. For a horizontal image, add aspect ratio 16:9 at the end and generate. Just like that, you get a horizontal western shot at golden hour with two men riding horses, and the quality is genuinely great, with no watermark attached. Download the image, then return to Vibes AI. Switch to video generation and upload the image you just generated as the first frame. Once it is uploaded, go back to where you saved your prompts, in this case the Google Doc, copy the matching motion prompt, paste it in, confirm you have the correct aspect ratio selected, and generate. This is where the tool earns its reputation. You get 4 stunning results. They look vertical at first, but once you click into one, you see it is actually a horizontal video. From here, you can take your clip even further, add music, or extend it into a longer video. Manual Extend gives you full control to type a custom prompt describing what happens next. And Auto Extend uses AI that studies the final frame and continues the motion naturally from there. What started as a 5-second clip is now a 9-second clip. This feature is genuinely useful, letting you stack a short 5-second clip into 15, 20, even 30 seconds just by triggering it a few times in a row. So far, this platform is impressive, but frustrating when it comes to actually downloading your video. The default export stamps a large watermark across the middle of the frame, which makes it unusable for anything you would actually publish. I found a way around that too. No third-party software and no paid unlocking tool required. But before that, I want to show you a secret tool I found that creates realistic UGC video ads. The kind that look like they were shot on camera and professionally edited, not the stiff, plastic-looking AI content you are used to seeing. The platform is called ugcvideo.ai, and I have left the link in the description below. It is built specifically for advertising conversion, so if you are creating UGC ads, commercial content, or trying to land a winning ad creative, this is exactly what it is designed for. Once you log in, you will see a lot of features to explore. Start by clicking UGC character to create an AI influencer. You have a few options here. You can start from an image if you already have one, generate from a text prompt, or pick from community characters and recreate them in a single click. Since I already have a base character, I am going to create one from an image. Upload your reference image, give it a name, for example, Liana, then enter a short prompt describing how you want your character to look, including the attire and environment. Pick an image model and generate. In a moment, your influencer is ready, with realistic hair, facial detail, skin texture, and natural motion that actually holds up on screen instead of looking obviously generated. From here, you can create a UGC image, a UGC video, a talking video, or a UGC ad. Now let's create an actual ad. Click UGC video, upload both the character and the product, and add a short prompt describing how you want the video to play out. For the voiceover, you can choose from the built-in voice library or upload your own, then generate. What comes out is a highly polished commercial, the kind that would normally cost a lot of money to shoot and edit, and once you save your character to the influencer library, you can reuse it across templates for batch content creation instead of starting from scratch every time.
Ladies, stop scrolling. I just found the ultimate cheat code for your man. It's Armani's Stronger With You Intensely. It smells absolutely intoxicating. It has this perfect blend of warm vanilla and amber. It literally smells like a cozy, expensive hug. Every time he wears this, I cannot stay away from him. Trust me, this is the best gift you could ever buy. Go grab it for him right now.
This is genuinely one of the easiest ways to cut the cost of hiring real UGC creators, since your AI influencer can produce ad after ad on demand. It is built for short-form platforms like TikTok and Reels specifically, and it works just as well for app, web, and e-commerce advertising across pretty much any industry. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description below. Back to the tutorial. To fix the watermark problem, do not export the video from inside the platform. Instead, go back to the gallery and right-click on the video you want to download. From the menu that appears, choose Save Video As and save it to your computer. That is the fix. Same quality, no watermark anywhere on the video. With this setup, you can now generate unlimited watermark-free videos for free by repeating the process. Copy the next image prompt, generate a horizontal image in Meta AI, upload it and convert it in Vibes AI, download it clean, and repeat. Don't forget to check out ugcvideo.ai to create realistic video ads, AI influencers, and talking avatars. The link is in the description below. And if this video saved you money on paid tools, like it, share it with someone, and subscribe, because there is another one coming very soon. I will see you in the next video.